this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the black appearance package, FX4 Off Road Package, mobile office package, bed utility package, and the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, we have a tow hitch, rear park sensing, and backup camera. We do get a Pro Access tailgate as well, which allows you to have easier access to your bed. Got some outlets, lights, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. And of course it is powered, so it will go down automatically. And let's just say you're holding a lot of stuff in your hands and you want to lift it up, all you have to do, knee it up and it will go up automatically. We do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlights, and turn light indicated with blind spot detection. We also do have front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, flat fold storage system, carpeted interior with cup holders, heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, 120 volt. You do get some cup holders right there as well. And of course you can lift up your seats for extra storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front, power door mirrors with memory seats, as well as our auto stop outsert, lights, spotlights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 156 kilometers. We do have this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have your toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see on the vehicles ahead of me. Just limit your distractions so you can keep your eyes on the road. You have your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select, speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, wireless charging pad with some outlets down there, and it does close. You do have a nice leather app center console with the ability to have a flat fold storage system. You can put your food there or a laptop, totally up to you. Storage below. We have our drive modes, rear locking disc, and four-wheel drive. Trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with engine start stop, heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. And looking up here, we do get a nice powered rear window opener with our features for our twin panel moonroof, as well as our garage door transmitter. We do have the 360 view, traction, all that, park assist, hill, and we do get Ford's BLUECRUISE, which is Ford's highway self-driving. And looking here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, YouTube. Pretty cool. Settings. You do get personal profiles with this vehicle as well, which is pretty handy. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA62987, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.